my name is Kaisara and this is my sister Kamara.
Okay.
Say hi.
Hmm.
So today we will be reviewing this cordless stick vacuum cleaner from Dibea. It's this one. Okay, so now Kamara will open it for us.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. Good job. Very clever. Sikit.
Actually, everybody is tiring after swimming.
Boleh ni.
Today video is only our unboxing. It's not try to apa ni not just open, right? Okay, maybe you can do alone when mommy working. Okay, how to use.
Pull it out. Ni pull.
Pull it out.
Pull. Harder ni. Pull.
Yay! Dibea.
Okay, we also get a Dibea calendar.
Before that, but actually, mommy want to buy the one with mop, but I'm wrongly ordered this one. So unfortunately, we have to accept this one without the mop.
Okay.
But this one is they said is comparisons to Dyson, the expensive one. Dyson is like 4,000 plus the price.
This one, how much is it?
This one like 600 plus.
Wow. Open.
Okay.
I don't think it's like that. Like this lah.
Okay, adik.
Okay, show it to the... Okay.
Marah pula orang tu mami cakap bahasa Inggeris kan. Okay, mami cakap bahasa Melayu lah. Nanti issues susah.
Okay, so this is what we will get. This is the instruction. This is one of the
What's that? Stick.
the stick. Open it.
Part of the vacuum lah.
Yes.
Stick. Okay.
And this is the vacuum.
Sure.
It's like this.
Is it heavy?
It's very heavy, but
Heavy? Because they say it's very light.
it's light, but
Still heavy.
still heavy.
Okay.
This is the.
Oh, adik ni. Evan lah hang adik.
Oh no, this way.
Okay, put properly. Sedang tu lah. Dah lari dah.
Let's see. This is the.
What?
The screw and everything. I'm not sure what's this yet.
Okay, you show to
this
here.
is the placement.
Oh, you can stick at the wall. Is it?
Yeah.
Is the double tape only? No need to screw. Yes, tomorrow we do it. I like it. I don't like it's a screw because it's difficult.
Oh, is it? Yeah, it's double-sided.
Maybe we can hang.
You can put screw.
Put screw also. But I don't like screw.
Okay. And then we will get this one. This one. And then this is.
I don't want. This is hand. Okay.
Sini come.
You see that? Wan nak buat apa unboxing, dia macam-macam hal.
And this is the charger.
Okay.
Okay. And then you will also be getting a lot of, the in front part to scoop up all the dust and everything. You get this one.
Okay.
And then the last one is this one.
The bigger one. This 4 one.
Yes, this one.
Okay. Is it? They said it's soft. Can I try?
It's very soft.
Wow. Okay.
And now I think. Oh,
What else is inside?
this one is this box. Oh, nothing. Okay, that's it.
Okay, put back inside the main box. It's come with 2 box. This is the box that this is transportation box, I guess. Okay. It's a very simple vacuum. Adik, jangan main, Don.
No.
Don't
you want
touch
to vacuum the house,
it.
then
Okay, nanti try, okay? Okay, nanti kakak try sikit.
okay, I will try for you guys. Did anyone subscribe today?
Yes, we getting few more subscriber. We today as of just now we have 78 subscribers. So it's good for start. We hope that people are support us. Okay. Actually, mommy want to do this YouTube video also because mommy want Kaisara to have confidence in speaking in public. Okay. So nanti kita nak buat satu produk untuk dia supaya dia pun boleh berniaga juga jadi business woman. Beside that we want her to be a doctor actually. Tapi dia pun tak tahulah 2 tahun dah duduk kat rumah, dekat 2 tahun dah ada duduk rumah ni kan. Macam mana nak SPM kat hang, aduh.
Okay.
And then online study is not same face to face study. Okay. Okay, show it.
So this is how you use it. You have to press this.
Okay.
And then it's just like that.
Wow, got lighting dah. Dia rambut. Dia bang, dia kotak tu jangan angkat lah. Nanti kan masuk start inside dia. Okay, tu dia rambut near the Kowe. I think this Kowe at the room not functioning well. Maybe kat bawah tu is better. Okay. Dia ada power kan? Dia ada power kan?
How do I?
Here, come. Bring here.
Oh, this. Okay.
Okay. Dia ada power. Almari Pak Hang terbuka habis. Kita buat kat dalam bilik. Aduh. Almari Mak Hang pun terbuka. Aduh, betul. Okay. Is it okay? Kaisara will use more vacuum. She is the one who use more vacuum in this house because she love cleaning house. Okay. Mommy very less lah when she back to the school. Maybe I'll take over the job. Okay, not maybe I will take over the job.
Oh, it's very easy to open and everything.
Okay, easy. Maybe you can explore more tomorrow.
This is how you going to open. I think. What? Push for what?
Sampah.
I don't know. Push.
Push for sampah, is it? Yes, correct. Push for sampah. I'm listening to the video and then this is the way. I don't know, maybe how
Do I have to detach this one?
Maybe. You have to detach first and then you throw
I
it.
don't think it can be detached. Pusing.
Bawa patah pula sekarang. Maybe you read the manual or tomorrow you see another review, another unboxing from the YouTube and other people YouTube channel. Is that can be open?
Like that. Push this. And then.
But the design is very nice, kan?
Oh.
Okay.
Try.
And then
You have to also push this one down here. So you just throw it.
Okay, ada sampah tak sekarang ni?
Not yet.
Okay, maybe you try to vacuum and see whether got sampah at my room.
Okay, wait.
Okay, Mami off first. Vacuum dan kita tengok ada sampah tak. Mana ada yang dust mite? Tak ada dapat.
Dust mite this one.
Oh, tak ada this one. Kata dapat dust mite punya tu.
What is a dust mite?
Apa for the this one F20 What is the model?
F20 Max.
F20 Max. Dia kata patutnya ada dust mite punya head apa tu penyedut. Tak ada
Which one? Ni. Ada wall bracket. Motorized mattress brush. Oh, mattress brush. Okay. 2-in-1.
No, mattress brush don't have lah.
This is the mattress brush.
Yang ni lah Mami cakap. Yang ni. This one. Tapi kita kena beli. Okay, so ini sepatutnya Mami nak yang ni. Aduh, salah belilah. Nak yang boleh mop sekali. Tak apalah. Mop pun dah ada dah. Yang no vac punya. Kan. Lagipun yang ni pun dia ada air, dia keluar pun macam tu je. No vac pun macam lebih kurang lah. So dia bukan boleh sedut pun. Ada vacuum yang boleh sedut terus. Dan kita pun ada wet vacuum juga. Tak apalah. Tapi rugilah sebab beza few ringgit. And then kalau kita tambah sikit kita dah dapat yang mop tu. Tapi tak apa. Okay. This pengajaran for Mami. Because I don't check before ordering. Because dulu dia ada bagi free ke macam tu ke, tak tahulah which one, but I'm ordering the wrong one. Hopefully it help us easier because it's a cordless. Kan kakak, anything you want to say before we end this video? Stay at home, help Mami to clean the house and also study hard for your SPM. Mengantuk
No lah.
No lah. Okay, say bye-bye. If you like, subscribe.
Bye-bye everyone. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe and comment down below what should we do next. And stay safe, stay at home.